Feeling overwhelmed by your college workload? Looking for a way to manage stress effectively? Many students struggle with large academic workloads, feeling disorganized and anxious about their assignments. Are you one of them? Introducing MindBloom. MindBloom offers a unique approach to using planners, helping you break down tasks into manageable steps. It's time to regain control. How it works. With MindBloom, planners become your best friend. Break down big assignments into smaller tasks. Set realistic deadlines and prioritize wisely. Schedule study blocks and track your progress. Experience the difference. Manage stress and workload effectively. Using MindBloom planners leads to reduced anxiety and improved time management, increased productivity and better organization. Feel a greater sense of control over your studies. Sounds great? MindBloom. Subscribe to our channel for more study tips and stress management techniques. Join us today.